These days, me, I don't insult people. As for those days when we were young,
Ebusianfo aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesrel like a comment, subscribe. Then on notification also so that anytime you post a video, it say we are Usambeka ebi ama wahwe. Na ebusianfo mu ni bibi. Pese mi fa akunya we menda mu nyina ase. Beye 2 days ni and I say 3 days ni. And me a video be a introduction ni mo no na me ka say me baby I make videos no one enye. And that is the reason why we really need to get a studio and move and do better production. After saying that, I received a donation of 2,900 cedis. That's the highest donation I've ever gotten from a single person. And then also that day, I said, "Nipa mi enubi." I said, "Me thousand." That was the day of biggest donation. That was the day of donations. It's in person that money na say money mo support this cause. Any more mo share and so mo send me a personal money. They say no studios can cry me personal money cry cool. But so be send this cabia and me I ask take say studio ska. Thank you all so much. We've I think we've gotten to almost 10,000 Ghana cedis. Almost got to 10,000 and the objective is 25,000 Ghana cedis. 15,000 Ghana cedis more to go. We trust God and we trust you. So boy. Now let's go to the story. Ebusian 4. There's a saying said, it is only a fool that has not changed their mind. I think said, yeah, bra, if I no Kwame APlus. Aha. He's learning his lessons. And ni dimina mu ni kasa mu no actually say indeed some lessons are best learned when it happens, when you are part of it, when you have made a mistake and then and repercussions ever. We say during Easter no so no kwewu but nanko for biso ye gomoa na matise no kranya mienim na gomoa for mo festivities no na ye de pa mate ende mate eti kudos to Kwame APlus. But after festivities no Kwame APlus sat down to speak with joy about the whole ceremony. Omani thought, some I don't agree with. Or see, only Jesus Christ can unseat him. Kwame APlus, Amika Sembichero. The only reason you want that seat is because of internal sabotage. That's the reason you want that seat. And your internal sabotage. Never would you have been an MP. Right? So please. One I'll catch you say. Ebra campaign. Say MPP focus strategize here. Na papa Ken. So Afrel. Enyeza. Aha. Chese enye no aga. Uchaze. Enti minye sure say in 2028 no MPP4 ya be lose ama obi be free entem. Abe mao tip-offs. Yenye sa lose bio. Enti who APlus is someone say we are one term MP. One term MP. And there we are one term. Now let's go to the substantive issue. Osi say there, APlus say there on Yabium. He no longer insults. And the reason is why young Crawford bebre or politics not just even entertainment space no. Why young Crawford bebre. But when who say Ebra yachiche positions, Emma Crawford no. Or mama no be. na oko na oko hwe mu a kire say almost say Kwame Plus there or a good guy but or young Crawford do enti yentimi nya na minister yentimi fa no to board bia so. You see, it's a serious lesson. Now you know something. Asema okay, jokes aside, enukre. That is why one thing I'm a catch me when you say, "Ntokwa bi wo wa me fa me hu shim." Yeah, or politics me fa me hu shim da. And again, pass me so camera to me no me hu so. I'm yam penifo bia me nye. Because we are sad na ebe penifo no de o. Omnyo bebo nsema ma o. But later on, no, that is when you know what you have done. They will not give you position, no. They will only use you for dirty works. That is our party for you. Dirty works. So Kwame Plus has learned it. Timpamucho, especially when you are normal. Say mo friend mo hun the base. Say mo hun say there can be a possibility say you want to come back to MPP. Now when you come back, those videos that we young Crawford MPP penny for woman no. Do you think I can go and delete in that so? Crawford save it to all. I catch them. Now let's go and listen to Kwame Plus. Cheers.
We used to insult. Oh, I will insult you if you do that. No, these days I don't do that because you know that God loves prostitutes.
Is it?
Yes, God loves prostitutes. God accepts prostitutes. You go and read the Bible. God accepts prostitutes. God loves prostitutes. But when it was time for someone to give birth to his son, he used a virgin. Why didn't God use a prostitute to born Jesus? It means that if you can be that guy, hey, plus, yeah, he's a hard guy, hey, he can speak his mind. But when it's time to give some position to someone, say, this guy, we like you, but this one we won't give to you.
Yeah.
So God loves prostitutes, but he used a virgin to born his son. So me, these days, I won't come out because maybe one day I'll be looking for a certain position, and then people will say, oh, we like you, but we won't give you. So I'm telling you the truth. I'm not going to insult you, but I'm going to tell you the truth.
So there's a new
people by next Easter.
Ghana for me, more baby, Sisi debian me kase Ghana na wiye ye ni wo mu no. Asin se unya nyansani bia ma up to now amemu ofun ya Mahama no mu bu omu wiya sika. Ani amem intention na se selective governance ya wo ye no. Si ya nipa me bire nya hunu nyansa. Na dia wasi kura ne wonu mo wa brochire no a wo nim se factory ye bebuye factory a enye aban no na ebuye factories na emom individuals in the buye factories. Kwame Nkrumah buye factories etwa the whole country here and the factories no hene. So we be a factory na say wo mo ye adwuma ho no wo mo ye what say skilled workers. Na dan nyina no mo kopaja ne ma to say say laborers ya. A progress in the same. Say Nkrofo bi asori ya wo mo ye the say campaign the base no mo dey twintwan MPP anem say ne be ya ye betimi ayi NDC afiri ho. Uko kase de base ya adwuma what say muso mo abrochire no mo nim pefe say nya aban government ne buye we say factories government be buye factories ya na kase wo boa individuals no na kase economy ne yi ya o matime buye factories na o kase wo di aban design na buye factories na base kan na buye factories no egu obi antimi ensi ni kokwa na so onya conscience say adwuma no ye aban de na aban no ye part of aban ne gina ho ma nyina no ma hwe so na adwuma nyina agu enti mo ye the base no se mo be ye mo the base ya mo ye mo the base ne mo classify say MPP for ehunu ne ye yo MPP bas won ye ehunu ne ye yo ye ehunu Kofu amemu yo ani ehunu Nana-Addo amemu yo policies papa nyina no every MPP na dia wasin se wo man wa brechire no a wo no wo mo hunu nyansa ehunu se Nana-Addo ne MPP ni omba ye ma no adi nkoso bai na da nyina no mo ka se MDC ne MPP nyina ade kura na wo ya no adwene nya adwuma Munti bi hunu nyansa se o ma bia ne nkoso o ye free or say education, health, communication akwan papa. Education. Ye buye factory na se we ya no wonni mongoma na se ko gina na upaja ne ma wo nkoso ne se o progress ne se na dangi na no ye paja na mambo bagu ye paja suwa mababu agu sania Mahama ne nkrofo ewia sika na manfo ayi adwuma ye ntimi tua kana so o mo sika no eye ne ma yemfata na mo amo mo nim nyansa mo na mo sese mo obrochie no mo se mo ye mo base ya mo ye mo base na mo ya na mo condemn MPP papa so abone odesen MPP ande mo ntimi hunu na wa man said wa ma education health nye afa communication to say akwan ye eniwa ni nkoso ne sen say NDC fo yade a omo eme homle so na yakwa brochire omo yire ne ema no omo koso omo yare na agenda 111 yes omo ye hospitals na obi atimi ekwa kokosa no yade no na nko omo susu say ho yade wo Ghana no omo yen say omo akonde mi na muntimi konde mo enum kura no omo boy muntimi nka say NDC fo na ebu amamo fun mo ya na mo de MPP akoyo akotachi say hospital ya omo agya no no agenda 111 no so omo ahwe ne anye ne ye na so omo de omo yire ne makwa abrochire ye kwase ho yare na omo bare da bia musumu omo so ba na mo amusempa education omo de omo ma wa brochire na Mahama no abegina ho akase Ghana school ye sato say sato de no wo ye de apagya ama aye wo se kra behwe emfidia na nado no mokra ya se de yi akwan no ene ni nyina ehye wo sen kwaye mo mo de etu galam say national resources so aban wo sen nyamedia man ya nu ntino wo mo nyina eba ehyanti region ebeye yiye no ene no mo se no eno mo ntimi hu ka ho asem mo ya na mo agye no la say politicians no wo mo hu ni o mo ye MPP wo so ne yenim de yeyo NDC fo na o munim ne omoyo enso mu so se mo be ka se amembo no Mahama ebo no ya amembo fun ye promise ye besi da mamo e batoka mamo na makoma no atum enso nya eno ne edibu man sebi ukofa aduane free wo sen ayi efomba na se ya mfa no aduane am obi anya bi ani a ehu ni fa so na se mo chiche ma wo se manfo a nyansa be no mu sikasi edimu bu omano ya emeye hunu se omano ye nkoso no ya hihye ma wo se individuals wo mo mutimi di atam egu mpanifo anim ase ya mo nyina post enkonto mpofo wo nyina ya mo post wono Mahama no edesen nyansa ben wontirimu a wono wetimi kase wodi ewuru wo man ni nkonto mpo no ena amanfo wo mu esu ane nkro na di na chidifo amemo no bo nyansa bia ni obi atrim enso makama no atum na nkasa bia yi kwan a na tetete no ana ya sapete no a ya emfienum na ase no eno na sese wo mu adopt wo hospitals ya anka electronic na say digitalization ubekọ no na doctor no ekura ho information ansa na agwa ko ho doctor no na lab for ayo would say lab work na doctor no kuta information nyafe na akwasan lai anso so andisi for say o matwe abakire Mahama twe abakire eno de mo hunu ka na wa mabia no se enka bomu ama be de yetime asiesi o mana mna yiye kwasi brodi ba no nam se no obewia ye no ntino na attention na answer capital ho no be develop no through her one call the other regions because South Africa country bia at the city bia ye well developed and so amemwe funti anam se nyansan ni what the sign and this for treatment no Omo hu se development no ye betu apeti ba bia. Na na de mo so mo new regions no. Ubeko the same region capital bia no. Ye project ho. Na nkran kwa no mo siesie ho no. Ya mo san de wo the same Asante sika na siesie ho no. Dan na ya na ahomte. Nanka Kumasi another or the same sport wa and I say city a nya we rather say best no a nanka enkran kura ma because enkran satem na adwuma ni ho wo be Kumasi adwuma wo ba bia na rolling say best no say mo de or the same tribalism say wo man no enso mo ya na mo kan say Asante fo na ye tribalism mo amodidi or the same Asante atem na say mo say and this no ada so ya ngurani ana we pepeni obetna akurati kasa no a na tumu say truly no wonye santini adentina mo de politics me ese niema abanfo amamo bone no me de bia meka afi kwa me kuma penso eno ne de asa ahia be sese because kwatibro ni edi eso no na democracy ye mu say an say kwa me kuma eso mu no democracy no wodi adwuma anya democracy no ya wototwe no ya the dictatorship no eno an we no and this for ba wo mkofa man ye ko akire no enti mo ye the base na mo nyam the base na mo nya na mo nkoka say the say the whole politicians no afeli no and this for and CP4 na afeli yen na anytime bia MPP beba o mo be fa democracy ye hoto yen o man no nyankoso one mkofa say Kwame Nkrumah memo ye dictatorship no ya we dey harass the other opponents no and me ekwa akire enti mo a musimo ye the base na Japan ne nkrofo no musimo be factory amonye factory campaign na montimi encondemn MPP because MPP senka Ghana mo kan kura na mo ma MPP kwa ya kende Ghana ye kra behwe wo mo wiaska chebe wo mba wiaska na and this ni na awia ho akwhye party no no ye sa yenya duwa no enti the base for mo fa mo kwasa 7 free ho na Japan nim nyansa bi odi bebu o ma no